Welcome, friends, to our alphabet rhyme. Let's learn our letters. It's learning time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Sing along with me. A is for apple, jumping up and down. A, apple, the happiest in town. B is for bear, so cute and sweet, swaying gently with happy little feet. C is for crab, dancing with a swing, waving his claws like a happy king. D is for dolphin, dancing in the blue, singing happy songs for me and you. E is for eagle, soaring high and free, flying with strong wings for all to see. F is for fox, with a bushy tail, dancing so merrily without fail. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Sing along with me. G is for ghost, floating with the boo, wiggling and giggling just for you. H is for hippo, dancing with a sway, happy and joyful throughout the day. I is for ice cream, spinning round and round, the sweetest treat that can be found. J is for jellyfish, floating with such grace, pulsing gently all over the place. K is for kite, flying in the sky, waving its long tail way up high. L is for ladybug, crawling on the ground, wiggling her legs without a sound. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Sing along with me. M is for Mickey, dancing with a grin, happy steps and twirls, let the fun begin. N is for Narwhal, so cute and round, gently floating without a sound. O is for orange, dancing with a sway, sweet and juicy throughout the day. P is for Panda, dancing with a smile, happy and playful for a little while. Q is for Quail, with chicks so small, walking along for one and all. R is for rocket, flying to the moon, shaking and zooming, what a happy tune. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Sing along with me. S is for submarine, under the sea, bobbing and floating for you and me. T is for turtle, dancing with delight, jumping and waving with all his might. U is for UFO, with cats so sly, flying and hovering way up high. V is for volcano, erupting with a smile, laughing and bubbling for a little while. W is for watermelon, dancing with a sway, a happy juicy friend, hip hip hooray. X is for xylophone, playing a sweet sound, colorful keys spinning round and round. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Sing along with me. Y is for yo-yo, spinning down and up, a bouncy happy toy, filling us with luck. Z is for zebra, running with delight, stripes so bold, black and white. Yay! We know our letters, every single one. The alphabet song was so much fun. Come back again, let's learn some more. Hooray for letters, let's explore.